You already know by now that email marketing is the most efficient way in boosting your sales. So, your top priority is to build your email lists and collect more leads. It is the most effective strategy gaining profits in a passive way. If you are not doing this, you're losing a lot of money. But it is never too late. What I'm about to show you will help you get started. Introducing WP Opt-in Boxes. This software will help you collect unlimited leads from your WordPress sites. And what's good with this is you can get started in just 1 minute, no manual work at all. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features. Create multiple conversion boxes. Don't stick to one opt-in box or pop-up throughout your blog. Create multiple conversion boxes for different pages, posts and categories. 30+ conversion optimized templates. Just select and plug in one of our box templates from the huge collection of 60+ professionally created high-converting templates and see your conversions skyrocket on autopilot. Attention-grabbing box settings. Grab users' attention with just a few clicks of a button by enabling attention-grabbing setting provided with the plugin. Only 2 box flash plus make sticky. Import-export boxes. Export and import your boxes from one WordPress site to another with just one click of a button. 30+ fonts. Choose from 30+ font families to create highly customized headings, content and buttons. Easy to manage dashboard. Get all the important information at one place, list of boxes, statistics and all the important box-related options. Multiple boxes on single page. Place more than one opt-in box on a single page and track them all at once. 8 box types. Create 8 different types of boxes. 2-step opt-in, exit pop-ups, timed pop-ups, scroll pop-ups, email opt-in boxes, video email opt-in boxes, call to action boxes and video call to action boxes. All this in one single plugin. Total control over box design. Modify the design of your boxes to match your blog landing page design with simple clicks of your mouse. No need to touch the code ever. Box placement. Place your boxes everywhere, under individual posts, pages and custom post types or almost anywhere on your blog using a shortcode. Powerful conversion tracking. With the powerful inbuilt conversion tracking system, track every important aspect of your boxes. Track how many people visited the page having your opt-in box, the number of people who actually saw the box, and the number of people who opted in. Top 10 pages, no graphs. Custom box styling. With the custom CSS functionality, you can add custom CSS to your conversion boxes, so you have total styling control on every single element of your box. Priority support. Need help? We provide 24/7 priority support for all our customers on top of our video training. Just ask your questions by creating a support ticket for personalized help. Download WP Opt-in Boxes now. How does it work? This is super easy. You don't need technical skills. Here, let me show you. Good points. Newbie friendly. Has unique and beautiful opt-in boxes. Comes with amazing bonuses. Responsive technical support. Bad points. Need stable internet connection. Need to contact support if there is any drawback. Conclusion. Don't lose money anymore. Start building your email lists and collecting more leads. Get your copy of WP Opt-in Boxes here.